3 o'r gloch. Shwmai a croeso nôl. Welcome back to 10 at 3, your daily Welsh lesson. Let's have a little recap. Helen, dwi. A dwi'n gweithio. Dwi'n gweithio yn y ganolfan dysgu Cymraeg Genedlaethol. I work at the National Centre for Learning Welsh. And remember that as we go through the lesson, I have colleagues also at hand ready to answer your questions. So let's get started. Helen dwi, dwi'n gweithio. Dwi'n gweithio yn y ganolfan dysgu Cymraeg. At the moment, dwi'n gweithio yn y cartref, in the home. Dwi'n gweithio yn y cartre. Dwi'n dysgu Cymraeg yn y cartre. Yesterday, we did our wyt ti questions. Do you remember? Wyt ti'n dysgu Cymraeg? Wyt ti'n gyrru? Wyt ti'n iawn? And the answer is either ydw or nac ydw. So you answer my questions. Wyt ti'n dysgu Cymraeg? Wyt ti'n gyrru? Wyt ti'n iawn? I very much hope that you are iawn. So, today we're going to build on the wyt ti questions you did yesterday. You've probably noticed by now that Welsh, once you've got used to the alphabet, is mainly phonetic. We're going to have a look at one word which sometimes breaks that rule. So, if you can see that there, the word is sit. Wyt ti, are you? So to simply ask how are you, we would say sut wyt ti? Sut wyt ti? Now, if you live in North Wales or anywhere in South Wales you'd be understood, you say sut wyt ti. But what comes more naturally to me, and what you will hear also, is should wyt ti. Just like English, I should. Yeah, I should practice my Welsh every day. Should wyt ti? Sut wyt ti? Should wyt ti? You ask the one which is easiest for you. So ask me how I am. Should wyt ti? Ask me again. Should wyt ti? And once more. Should wyt ti, Helen? So, 3 answers. We already know one of them. The first one, da iawn. You can imagine is great, yeah? Very good. Very well. Da iawn. Try it. Da iawn. Eto. Da iawn. Da iawn. Very well. Da iawn. Now, yesterday we learned wyt ti'n iawn? Are you okay? So we could answer should wyt ti? Iawn. Iawn. Iawn is a really useful word in Welsh. Da iawn. Very good. So after any adjective, iawn will mean very, but on its own, it means okay. You can be iawn, iawn. So iawn can be really useful. So, da iawn, iawn. One more. Oh, wedi blino. Wedi blino. Maybe we are a little tired at the moment adapting to our new circumstances. Wedi blino. Try. Wedi blino. Wedi blino. Wedi blino. So, should wyt ti? Da iawn. Should wyt ti? Iawn. Should wyt ti? Wedi blino. You give the response I show to you. Okay. Should wyt ti? Da iawn. Should wyt ti? Iawn. Should wyt ti? Wedi blino. Should wyt ti? Iawn. Should wyt ti? Wedi blino. Should wyt ti? Da iawn. So let's end that little section on a nice positive note. Da iawn. So, sit or should is the word for how. The word for where is ble. Ble. Try it. Ble. Eto, again. Ble. Ble. So, where are you? Ble wyt ti? You may also hear sometimes ble rwyt ti. Don't worry about that. It can be sometimes just a little easier to say ble rwyt ti than ble wyt ti. Yeah, so no problem. So, where are you? Ble rwyt ti? You try. Ble rwyt ti? Ble rwyt ti? Ble rwyt ti? Da iawn. So to expand that question, we know to work is gweithio. Ble rwyt ti'n gweithio? Ble rwyt ti'n gweithio? Try it. Ble rwyt ti'n gweithio? Ble rwyt ti'n gweithio? Ask me where I work. Ble rwyt ti'n gweithio? Dwi'n gweithio yn y ganolfan dysgu Cymraeg. Ble rwyt ti'n gweithio? So how would we say, where are you learning Welsh? Yeah. Ble rwyt ti'n dysgu Cymraeg? Dwi'n dysgu Cymraeg yn y cartre, at home. Okay, so 2 new words. Firstly, shopper. Shopper. Try it. Shopper, which obviously means to shop. So where do you shop? Where are you shopping? Ble rwyt ti'n shopper? Ble rwyt ti'n shopper? A chi? Ble rwyt ti'n shopper? Ask me where I shop. Ble rwyt ti'n shopper? Dwi'n shopper yn y co-op. So, ble rwyt ti'n gweithio? Ble rwyt ti'n dysgu Cymraeg? Ble rwyt ti'n shopper? And one more. The word for to live is byw. 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 Try it. Byw. Da iawn. So where do you live? Ble rwyt ti'n byw? Eto? Ble rwyt ti'n byw? Once more. Eto? Ble rwyt ti'n byw? Ask me where I live. Ble rwyt ti'n byw? Ton yr Efail. Here in South Wales, ton yr Efail. Da iawn. So, today's new phrases. Shwd wyt ti? Da iawn. Iawn. Wedi blino. Ble rwyt ti? Ble rwyt ti'n gweithio? Ble rwyt ti'n dysgu Cymraeg? Ble rwyt ti'n shopper? Ble rwyt ti'n byw? Now, in Gwers 1, we learned the numbers from 1 to 5. Dych chi'n cofio? Do you remember? You say them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next one is chwech. Now then, on Monday, dydd Llun, we saw ell, as in darllen. Today, we have another letter unique to us in the Welsh alphabet. You really need to feel it here at the back of your throat. Da iawn. So, the word for 6 has 2 of these, one at the beginning and one at the end. Chwech. Chwech. Try it. Chwech. Da iawn. Chwech. I'm going to give you some sums. You give me the answer. 1 adio, to add. 1 adio 5. Chwech. 2 adio 4. Chwech. 3 adio 3. Chwech. Try that if you've got small children at home learning to count yn Gymraeg in Welsh. So, 10 munud. That's it for today. Again, quick recap. Shwd wyt ti? Da iawn. Iawn. Wedi blino. Ble rwyt ti'n gweithio? Ble rwyt ti'n dysgu Cymraeg? Ble rwyt ti'n siopa? Ble rwyt ti'n byw? And the new number 6. Remember to go online to look at our digital resources, the taster courses, but also by now you should understand a lot of the content in Uned 1, Unit 1 of our entry-level course. www.dysgucymraeg.cymru. Hwyl!